Number 1, this is the universal 360 degrees rotate kitchen faucet extender aerator. Revolutionize your kitchen experience with this innovative gadget designed to elevate your daily tasks with its adjustable 360 degrees rotation feature. Number 2, this is Naturehike Outdoor Camping 45 cm thick TPU inflatable pad. Designed for outdoor-indoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and convenience, this portable sleeping mattress is your perfect companion for adventures under the stars. You can take this to every place: hospitals, parks, etc. Crafted. Number 3, discover the ultimate in cooking efficiency with the can be turned up timing fierce fire gas double burner household gas furnace. Designed for both natural and liquefied petroleum gas, this embedded stove combines sleek aesthetics with powerful functionality. Number 4, this is squeezed self-draining rubber cotton mop, your ultimate cleaning companion. This hand-free magic self-cleaning flat mop revolutionizes household chores with its innovative design. Featuring a reusable sponge and self-draining system, it effortlessly tackles dirt and grime on all types of floors. Say goodbye to traditional mops and cumbersome buckets. Number 5, this is 1PC no-punching wall-mounted clothes hanger, a revolutionary solution for your laundry needs. This retractable, wall-mounted drying rack is designed to maximize your space while providing a convenient and efficient way to dry your clothes. Say goodbye to bulky, floor-standing drying racks that take up valuable floor space. Number 6, this is the kitchen sink filter basket with a charming cartoon cactus design. This adorable sink strainer is more than just cute, it's highly functional. Designed to keep your sink clog-free. Number 7, this is the unisex single-shoulder multifunction sports running bag. This versatile and large capacity bag is perfect for anyone on the go. Whether you're running, hiking, or just out for a casual day, this bag has got you covered. Designed to be worn as a waist bag, chest bag, or casual messenger wallet, it adapts to your needs with ease. With ample space to store your essentials, including your phone, wallet, keys, and more. Number 8, transform your living space with the stunning wallpaper 3D nature scenery flowers grass path murals. Perfect for your living room or bedroom, this removable and waterproof wall sticker brings the beauty of nature indoors. Number 9, introducing the LED fan light, the perfect blend of modern design and smart functionality for your living room or bedroom. This sleek and contemporary ceiling fan light not only illuminates your space with energy-efficient LED lighting, but also provides optimal air circulation. Number 10, introducing the smart LED cosmetic case with mirror, a must-have travel makeup bag for women on the go. This large capacity case is perfect for organizing all your beauty and skincare essentials, ensuring everything you need is at your fingertips. The built-in LED mirror provides perfect lighting for flawless makeup application anytime, anywhere. Designed for convenience and style, this cosmetic case is a game-changer for female beauticians and makeup enthusiasts. Keep your products secure, organized, and ready for use with this chic and functional makeup case.